no riu kuma tuthungura Dick Thwariga ngima nĩ ciaingĩhire tondũ ona twarorire tukiona mũtitũ ũyũ warĩ na nguyo. Nguyo is a very important monkey in the Kikuyu culture.
Yes.
Na twagethire tugikona kibibiri tukitransport ciganona na riu umuthi tutaraga 313 animal nguyo in that forest. While when we came they had all been extinct. Ni gukiri cia mithemba teo ona ni uraiguite ringi andu makiuga ati kwina python nema tondu python ri iriaga tuthwariga. You know it's a chain. Ino ekaria giki ni ge produce giki na giki na nona mutitu uguikara uguo tondu niguo mutitu uhiana. About birds, we have 240 plus species of birds. Na imwe ciumaga Ruraya igoka Karura igacoka ikahunduka igacoka kwa Ruraya. We are an important agent of ecotourism and ecology of the forest.
Yes.
Tuguthi break rohani.
Shesheni hakuhe nawe.